Welcome to the Power Sports Garage. I'm your host, McCord Blackwell. Today I want to talk about the Redband smartphone charging cable.
The Redband smartphone cable looks like any other USB data cable, but has some internal magic that can reduce charging time of Android and Windows smartphones by as much as half. The charger that comes with a smartphone is set up to tell the smartphone that it can charge at full rate. As you can see here, with the Redband cable, the generic charger puts out close to 1.0 amps, the same as the factory charger. Without the Redband cable, the generic charger only puts out half of that at around 0.3 to 0.4 amps. So that's where the Redband smartphone cable comes in. It makes any generic charger look like the factory one. So plug in the 3BR Redband cable and get a full charge in no time. It's as simple as that.
Thanks for stopping by the Power Sports Garage. Come on back next time for more product introductions and updates.